us to stay on top of the trends and to know what's going on online. It's important that you know how to market your business. And there's so many websites out there that's actually going to give you free training. So this website does feature so many free webinars that's going to help you generate more leads and get better clients online. So definitely you need to check this out. It is free. So I'm going to go here. You just click on start the training and scroll down. Right off, you see they have training on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. So again, it's important that you learn techniques, you learn what's going on out there so that you can market your business better, and it's free. So you have no excuse. Okay. So I will put a link to this particular website below this video. Go ahead, click on that video, or I'm sorry, go ahead, click on that link and start your free training today. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value and check out some of my other videos.